Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best cake pans on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wilton Performance 10-inch Aluminum Cake Pan. This is another Wilton's cake pan that is sure to bring you the most delicious cakes and brownies for your most satisfying dessert with Oreo, for instance. Let's check what makes it so special. Designed with high-quality aluminum materials suitable for baking, Wilton Performance Pan's aluminum square cake pan helps bake your cake evenly and thoroughly. Besides, this square cake pan will unleash your creativity. In particular, Wilton Performance Pan's aluminum square cake pan has a depth of 2 inches that allows you to make a multi-layer cake. You should wash this cake pan in warm soapy water before and after use to get the best baking effect. This is another good option for those who prefer uncoated pans. The cake came out with relative ease, but compared to our current pick for best uncoated pan, a thicker layer of crust stuck to the Wilton pan. Ultimately, I did not have major issues with this pan and I'm a big fan of the price. Pros: spacious size for you to bake freely. Great depth for making multi-layer cakes. Durable material over the years. Lightweight. Cons: slightly sticky. Number 2. Hiware 7-inch Nonstick Springform Pan. This Hiware Nonstick Springform pan measures 7 inches across and comes with that delightful springform feature. With this sort of design, what matters the most is that the pan should be leak-proof when closed. You don't want any batter leaking out, whether it's a molded cold dessert or a proper cake in the making. Fortunately, the Amazon rating of 4 out of 5 stars assures that there will be no worries of leaking. Having a price range of $1 to $, this is a relatively reasonable option. Besides, you can even place it inside a 6-quart or 8-quart pressure cooker. The non-stick coating means that you can make any kind of cake, cheesecake, quiche, mousse, and several other recipes you can bake without having to risk breakage or spillage. Plus, this pan will release quite easily and clean up without a hitch. The only catch is that you're not supposed to fill the pan too full. That means you should be prepared for smaller cakes than usual, but it's one less thing you will have to worry about purchasing when you're ready to bake some tasty cheesecakes. While this is the must-have cake pan for professional cheesecake bakers, note that it is not entirely leak-proof. While batters are a-okay, if you're doing something like a water bath for your cheesecake, you will need to use a foil wrap. Number 3. Fat Daddios Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Consider this best-selling set of 3 round cake pans, a 3x 2-inch, a 5x 2-inch, and a 7x 2-inch, the ideal starter set. Though extremely budget-friendly, the quality is there. The pans, which are made of aluminum, heat and cool quickly, allowing for a faster, more even rise. The material is also extremely durable and naturally resists rust and corrosion, great for anyone who regularly bakes with highly acidic ingredients, like citrus. Anyone with concerns about non-stick coatings will love that these pans are anodized, not coated. This environmentally friendly process yields similar results, but contains no chemical additives, dyes, or potentially harmful compounds that can transfer, peel, or flake into baked goods. The Amazon rating of 3 out of 5 stars assures us high quality with these 3-inch deep pans. The price of these round pans ranges from $1 to $4 for 2 pans. We think this is quite a bargain. The only somewhat negative point we can see is the profusion of stickers on the pans. These could be challenging to remove, but of course, they don't affect the baking performance. Pros: affordable. Great quality. Nice assortment of sizes. Lifetime warranty. Cons: advanced bakers may want more pieces. Number 4. Wilton Recipe Right Oblong Cake Pan. The Wilton Recipe Right Oblong Cake Pan is a non-stick option that measures about 9 by 13 inches. It comes in a pack of 2, so you have the option of baking 2 proper cake layers at the same time. The non-stick coating makes for easy cleaning and a quick release for any cake. However, you should remember that you're not supposed to clean this with metal scrubbers. While some people might not like their cake pans in a non-stick version, many users actually do. That's why Wilton gets an Amazon rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars for this product. with the price range starting at $1 and going up to $. you're getting a sizable discount these days. Given the price, the 5-year limited warranty is quite impressive. We recommend hand washing it before and after every use, though it's also dishwasher safe. One downside that we see here is that some stains tend to appear on its sides. This won't affect the performance but will bring down the appearance. This has been at the heart of what we do for nearly 90 years. Whether you're hosting a party or need to bring a special treat, Wilton has you covered. Number 5. USA Pan 8-inch Round Cake Pan. For commercial quality at a reasonable price, you can't go wrong with this 8-inch round cake pan by USA Pan, a company that started out supplying professional customers and now services home bakers. For starters, the ridges on the bottom of this pan aren't just for aesthetics, they actually help to facilitate air circulation and even heat distribution. Furthermore, its clear silicone non-stick coating, which is PTFE-free, 1 PFOA-free, 2 and BPA-free, 3 helps cakes easily release from the pan and makes cleanup a breeze. Reviewers say the coating helps release their cakes easily and makes cleaning simple, and the pan's material resists dents or warps. They also rave about how the pan allows for the cake batter to naturally even out as it bakes, and then it heats and browns the dessert evenly. To keep this pan in tip-top shape, so that you can continue to use it for years to come, wash it with hot water, mild soap, and a soft sponge, and steer clear of sharp metal utensils. This pan is also available in 9 and 10-inch versions. What we love: non-stick, easy cleanup, bottom of pan is ridged to help with heat distribution. What we don't love: non-stick coating may get damaged.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.